Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a network topology that has been configured with a VPN site-to-site configuration. In order to get the assignment done, I have created a topology that consists of two different sites. One is a branch site, and the other one is a headquarters site. And in the branch site, as you can see, there are two workstations. One is allocated for the guest, and the other one is for the staff. And on the headquarters side, as similar to the guest, uh, I'm sorry, similar to the branch side, there are two workstations. One is for guest, and the other one is for staff. On top of that, there is a server as well in the headquarters side. So these two site has been connected via an ISP, the internet service provider, and there is a internet server that has been connected to the ISP router. So the deliverables of this assignment uh, was given at the question, and these are the requirement that needs to be met from this lab. So there are certain policies that need to be met, and I'm gonna display and I'm gonna show how um, these requirements are going to met. So let's start off with the policies that allow access. There are policies that allow access, and there are policies that is for to deny access. So let's start off with all the policies or all the requirement that allow access from one uh, point A to point B. So, for example, the first condition needs to be met is all staff at the headquarters site must have access to a server at the headquarters site. So, the staff at the headquarters site should have access to the server at the headquarters site. So, in order to check that connectivity, I'm going to ping to the server at the headquarters site from the staff. So, here I ping. Let's see how it's going to turn out. It's pinging successfully. As you can see, there's a successful communication between the staff at the headquarters side and the server at the headquarters side, although there is a packet loss. So that's looks good. And the second, the staff at the headquarters side must have access to the internet. So that is what we are going to check. So the staff at the headquarters side must have access to the internet. So I'm copying the IP address of the internet server, and from the staff, I am going to ping. As you can see, the connection has been established right away. It is pinging. Bear with me for a moment. Yeah, there are some packet loss, but as you can see, there is a successful communication between the staff, the headquarters staff, and the internet server. Coming to the next uh, requirement, all the guests at the headquarters site must have access to the internet only. So guests at this must have access to the internet. So we will try ping. So I'm at the guest computer right now, and I'm trying to access the internet server. The IP address of the internet server is 10.202.27.12. Let's see how it turns out. So that is also pinging. Not waiting for this to be completed. Let's go and take another look to the next requirement. Internet access of all hosted headquarters from the headquarters side. Okay, all staff at the branch site must have access to the server at the headquarters site, and this communication should be our site-to-site VPN. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. The staff at the branch site gonna have must have access to the headquarters server. So this is the staff, and the headquarters server IP address is 172.16.59.2, and I copied that IP address. And now I'm at the staff uh, at the branch location. Here I'm trying to ping the headquarters server. So ping. There you go. So it is also successfully pinging from staff staff at the branch location to the server at the headquarters location, and all staff at the branch site must have access to internet. So that is the next condition to be met. So I'm actually, in order to check the connectivity from the staff to the internet, I'm going to ping from staff computer to this internet server. So ping, the IP address should be 10.200.2.27.12. I'm not waiting for this ping to be completed. As you can see, the ping is already started. Now, the next condition, the guest at the branch site might have access to the internet only. So the same, going to the guest PC, I'm gonna try pinging from guest PC to the internet. Bingo. The next requirement, I mean, in the requirement there, it says that all the guests at the headquarters must have access to internet only. So that means the guest should not have access to any other uh, nodes or points. So we have seen how the guest is accessing the internet. Let's see if the guest can access the server in the same site. So we are actually checking. I'm going to check the ping from guest to the server headquarters. Both are in the same location, both are in the same network. Destination host unreachable, as you can see. So that means uh, that condition has met. And there is another condition here at the guest branch must have access to the internet only. So let's see this now that guest at the branch site must have access to the internet only. So we'll try pinging from the guest at the branch location to some other point. So I'm trying to ping from guest to the server at the headquarters location. So ping IP address 172.16.59.2. Let's wait. Push time out. 100% packet loss. That's pretty much proves the PC at the guest branch only have access to the internet just the way it should be. So and the configuration can be seen in the running configuration of the uh, routers of both branches, which I am uh, uploading, and that will be all. Thank you so much.